How to fix Discord app stuck at connecting. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you if your Discord app is stuck on connecting, then let's go ahead and fix it. So first of all, just go to your settings and scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Here just locate Discord, and after that just click on uninstall to uninstall the application from your mobile. So just go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry, because uninstalling the app will just delete the app and keep its document and data safe. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and will fix it further. And then just go back to your Discord account after installing it again, and it should fix your problem. And if it is not fixed, you can also try to switch between networks. For example, just go to the settings, and if you're using mobile network, you can go ahead and switch to Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch between your mobile network, and this should fix your Discord app stuck at connecting problem. This is how you can fix your Discord app if it is stuck at connecting. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.